How to fix easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. Go to the Epic Games Launcher, go to the library, click on the three dots right here next to Fortnite, go to manage, and click this icon right here, open install location. Go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, click the easy anti-cheat, right click on the easy anti-cheat, go to create shortcut, right click on it, go to properties, right here in target, go all the way to the end, click space and type in repair. Click apply and OK. Now just double click on this shortcut that we made and it's going to reinstall easy anti-cheat. After you've done that, close out of this, restart the Epic Games Launcher and launch Fortnite. And you should be able to launch Fortnite successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.